This edition of Higher Ed Highlights comes from Northwest Ohio, where Chancellor Gardner took part in recent events at 2 campuses. On October 6th, the Chancellor was among the speakers and guests at Owens Community College, which hosted a grand opening for its new Dana Incorporated Advanced Manufacturing Training Center. The 59,000 square foot facility will help Owens expand its offerings in advanced manufacturing degrees and certificates, while preparing a pipeline of skilled workers for the region's employers. On October 7th, the Chancellor joined Governor DeWine, First Lady Fran DeWine, and Owens Community College President Dion Somerville at Bowling Green State University, where BGSU President Rodney Rogers hosted tours of 2 facilities, starting with the robotics lab. There, the DeWines and Chancellor Gardner talked with students and learned more about BGSU's offerings in advanced manufacturing and logistics, as well as partnerships with Owens Community College. The afternoon concluded with the Chancellor, Governor, and First Lady learning more about Bowling Green's nursing program and new Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree during a tour of Central Hall, the new home to the university's School of Nursing that officially opened to students in August. The group spoke with students and faculty members while learning more about the facilities designed to address the state's growing need for healthcare professionals. Look for Higher Ed Highlights on the Ohio Department of Higher Education's YouTube page and through our Facebook page and Twitter feed, and check out our website at ohiohighered.org.